Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable anonymous calls and how to manage its settings on the iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.5.1, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then swipe down, tap on phone, then you want to go to anonymous calls, and here you can manage the anonymous call settings. So you can select it to never, so you're just going to get a call. You can get always, so you are going to get an announcement that you have an incoming call from someone. You can set it to headphones and car or just the headphones only. So it's up to you. Once you have a tick next to the setting, it means that it is set. I prefer to have it on the headphones in the car, so just go back and this is it. This is how you can set these settings. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!